Guys, in this video, we will learn how to resize image in Laravel application. So you can see that I already downloaded fresh Laravel application. Okay, and it's simply run with PHP artisan serve over here. You can see here. And now what I will do, simply create one form that user will upload, will choose the image, and then what we will do, simply same image, original image we will store in folder, and the next folder we will create thumbnail folder, and inside that we add like small image. Okay, so let's see with the example. So first of all, let me create one controller. So let me make it clear, and I will use artisan Mac controller, and I will simply say image controller. Okay, and now you can see that image controller is created, and now let me go here and I will create one route. So that's a get, and I will simply say image upload, and then I will simply say image controller colon colon class, and inside the image controller I will create index method. Okay, and then I will simply use the namespace. So I will say image controller, save it. Okay, now let me go here into the controller, and here I will be create index method. So index method and simply return view. So I will say view, and then I will say image upload and simply save it. And now we need to create resource view. I will create new view that's called image upload dot blade dot php. Inside the resource file I will create bootstraps. I will use bootstrap cdn, you can see that, and simply use the card, and I will simply say Laravel Resize image, simply save it. Okay, and now inside the card body I will simply create bootstrap form. So I will say form, and with the form you can see that csr token is there, and if there is success, then also I use that success attribute to display the message. And here by default I take a name field, so I will say image. Okay, and the type should be the file, and name also will be the image, and also error message should be displayed with the image. Okay, and now let me see and run with the artisan serve. Okay, and now let's see the form. Okay, so I will go here and I will say image upload and simply save. You can see here there is an image. Now what I will do, simply if you choose any image submit, then it should store into the folder. Okay, so now let me go and create another route. So I will say post route. So I will simply say post, and here simply say upload, and I will say name image dot upload, simply save it. Okay, and now if I go here and here into the action, I need to define that route what we created right now. Okay, so simply route, and here I will be, because we are using the file object, so here enc type I will pass. Okay, and multi-part form data, simply save it. Okay, and now if I go here into the controller, I need to create upload method. Okay, upload, and here I will be add validation. So I will simply say request validate, and here inside that I will pass array with the image should be required, and also should be image. Okay, and if everything is fine, then what I will do, I will simply request all the data, and let's see what we are getting. Okay, so simply refresh it and click on submit. You can see that image field is required, because without selecting image we submitted. So you can see here we already display the message and added the validation over here. Now if I choose image, for example, if I go here and if I choose any image, click on submit, you can see that we got file object over here. Okay, so now let me go here, and first of all I will define the image name. So I will say image name. I will use time function to give unique name to the image dot, and I will simply say request image, and I will say extension. Okay, and I will get the image name, and here I will use request image object, and there is a move function to store into the folder. Okay, so what I will do, public underscore path, and there should be images folder, and with the image name simply save it. So what happens, so move function will take two arguments. That first argument should be the folder path, and the next argument is the image name. Okay, so now at the end of the end I will simply display save it. Okay, and here I will be create new folder. that's called images. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh it. Okay, you can see that 173.4 dot you can see here, and if I go here you can see here like image is stored, original images are stored into the images folder. Now what we need to do, we also need to resize this image and store into the thumbnail folder. So I will create one more folder and I will add path for it like thumbnail folder, and I will simply say public underscore path, and then I will simply say images, and I will say thumbnail. So name, simply save it. Okay, and same thing inside the images folder I will create new folder that's called thumbnail. Okay, so I will resize image and then I will store on it. Okay, so now what we will do for resize image, I will use this image composer package that's called Specia image composer package. So I will add into my video description this link. Okay, so you can use that package. Okay, and simply you need to go and simply install this. Okay, and if I go here, simply cancel it and run this command, so it will install latest version of Specia image. Okay, and let's wait a moment to download. Okay, okay, now downloaded. Okay, now what you need to do, simply go here and there is a resize image code is already, so you can pass manually width and height, but here it's given both, like you can see that resize. So I will simply copy this. Okay, and paste it over here. Okay, and then you can see that here you need to give the path of image, so we already getting from request image and path. Yeah, save it. Okay, and then at the end you need to save it. Okay, so what you need to give, so simply give the folder path, and the same you need to provide the image name. Okay, so I will say simply name image name. Okay, and concatenate properly, save it. Okay, and same thing I need to give the facade, so I will copy this and here I will be use the facade, so I will simply say spatial slash image slash image and simply save it. Okay, this facade I installed over here, save it. Okay, and now let me go and run again the project. Okay, and now let me go here and yeah, go back, refresh, and let me choose image over here. So simply I will choose and click on submit. You can see that it's installed, and if I go inside the thumbnail you can see that 11.png. So this is the original image, and if I click on it you can see that very small size of image. So you can see that how easily you can resize it. Now let me go and simply I will say return back. Okay, and with I will give success message, so I will simply say image resized. Okay, simply save it, and here I will be also pass with image name and image name variable. Okay, image name, simply save it. Okay, and now you can see once everything success, then it's redirect back over here, and here we will be inside the success I will be add, if there is success session then I will be add div one. Okay, and then I will simply say p tag. Okay, and here I will be say original image. Okay, and then I will simply add img tag. Okay, and here I will be simply say images folder. Okay, and then I will take session get, and what we pass that's called image name, so I will take the image names for the preview, and I will simply say style, and I will maximum width I will set like 500 pixel. Okay, and same thing if I go here I will say thumbnail image. Okay, and then you can see that inside the images there is a folder called thumbnail, so we need to take from there. Okay, and I will remove this manually style for him. Okay, and simply save it. Okay, and now if I go here and refresh it, and if I go simply I will choose image and click on submit, you can see that thumbnail image and original image both preview are displaying properly. And if I go here into the folder, then you can see that very small image. Okay, let me choose another image. So I will go here and 31, click on that, and if I go here, same thing. You can see that this is resized image and this is original image. So you understand how easily we can resize the image using the composer package. And if you like this video guys, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching guys.